In this video, we're going to look at what comments are in JavaScript. So comments in any programming language is just a way to ignore some portion of the code so that it doesn't get executed as part of the code in that document. So in JavaScript, there are two ways to ignore certain part of the code. First is called a single line comment, and this is the syntax for that. You just have two forward slashes and whatever comes after that in the same line will get ignored. While this line will get executed, this one will be ignored. The second approach is multi-line comment, and for this you have to use a forward slash and then an asterisk, and after you do that, all the code that will come after that will get ignored until it reaches another asterisk followed by a forward slash. So whatever appears between these two, this forward slash and asterisk and this asterisk and forward slash will get ignored. So you can see that this line that is outside of this comment block will get executed, but this will be completely ignored, whatever is in the red. So now let's go ahead and have a look at how we can write this. So I'm going to open this HTML file and I'm going to open our JavaScript file. And so in this JavaScript file, we have a lot of code. Now let's say that I don't want this line to get executed. I can just comment this out. I can do that by adding two forward slashes, and whatever comes after this will get commented out. It won't get executed. So that means that this function will not be called. So this is the line where we're calling this function, and this is the function where we are writing all of these statements which are getting outputted here. So let's see what happens when I add these two forward slashes before this line. I'm going to save this and refresh it, and I can see that that code block is no longer executed. So let me remove this and save it and try again, and now we get that code. So commenting is just a way to have a certain portion of the code from getting executed. Now let's say that I want to have a multi-line comment. Let's say I come here and then add that forward slash followed by asterisk and then asterisk and forward slash. So now we have multi-line comments, and all of these lines that come between these two are getting ignored. So let's save this and refresh it. Now you can see that it's getting ignored. Now just to make sure that this is what is happening, we'll move this to outside of this code block and see if that alone gets executed. And I can see that whatever is in this line is getting executed. So this is how comments work. Now you may wonder, why do we need comments? Well, the thing is, when you write a piece of code, it's important that you have a way for others looking at the code to understand what you're trying to do. So comments are often a way for the developer, the programmer, to share insights as to how they are approaching the writing of that code, how they are solving a problem. So adding comments is a way for the programmer to explain the code to somebody who's looking at that code. So for example, if I wanted to say something about this particular line of code, I could just say forward slash forward slash. Here we are initializing num with the value of 5. So I'll save this and execute it, and it'll, it won't have an effect. This line will not have an effect because we are adding these two forward slashes here. Now let's say if I don't add those and save it, you'll see that there is an error in this document. So if you go to the console, it'll say that unexpected syntax error, unexpected identifier. So this is in sample.js line number 1. So you can see that this is what is in line number 1. So this is not going to let the execution of the remaining code in this document. So if I remove this and save it and execute it, now it won't have any errors. So the two forward slashes is just to prevent the execution of whatever follows those two forward slashes. And similarly, let's say that you here have something more elaborate to say about this function. So you will do this, and within these you can write whatever you want. This is a function. It has several statements within. It's stored in the name func. Like this, you can add multiple lines of comment and it won't get executed. So this is what comments are, and the syntax is clear. Now the other thing I want to talk about in this video is formatting of JS files. So there are tools online which you can use to format a JavaScript file. So I'm going to copy this whole thing and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to click on Beautifier. And you can see that it has improved the formatting of this document, and you can go ahead and paste it and it will be looking better. So the thing about JavaScript is that it doesn't matter if you give it the space. You can actually write the entire document in a single line, it won't matter. But obviously for readability, it's important that you format it in a specific way. So you can use online tools like this. This is just one of the tools. You can also use something like this. All of these are just tools. You can just go and Google for formatting of JS or JS formatter, and it will provide these online tools which you can use to format your JavaScript code. So this is it for this video. It's very simple. I just wanted to show you what commenting is and the two approaches to comment your code. Hope this was helpful. Please make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. If you appreciate the content of this channel and if you wish to donate, please donate. We could really use the help. You'll find links to our Patreon account and also the UPI payment gateway in the description below. Thanks for watching.